Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about our new chapter 11 Life Mathematics. Okay, my dear student, before starting this chapter, first we discuss about some basic points. Okay, all these basic points will be very important for solving the problems. Okay. Your first basic point is what is the meaning of cost price? What is the meaning of cost price? Cost price means the price at which goods are purchased is called the cost price or CP. The price at which goods are purchased is called the cost price or CP. Okay. Now let us we will discuss about what is the meaning of selling price. Now look here, my dear student, selling price is just opposite of cost price. Selling price means the price at which goods are sold is called the selling price or SP. The price at which goods are sold is called the selling price or SP. Okay. Now there will be some condition. Sometimes cost price will be bigger than the selling price, sometimes selling price bigger than the cost price. Okay, now let us we will discuss about some special condition. Okay, my dear student, if as you are looking here, suppose SP is greater than CP, suppose SP is greater than CP, in that condition what becomes? In that condition you will become profit. In that condition profit will become. Okay, so if SP is greater than CP, then what becomes? Then becomes profit. And what is the formula for profit? Profit equal to SP minus CP. Okay, now again, if CP is greater than SP, if CP is greater than SP, then what becomes? Then becomes loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, now let us we will discuss about one more basic point, that is the overhead charges. What is the meaning of overhead charges? Overhead charges means extra charges. The definition is any extra charges such as repairs, packing charges, transportation charges are called overhead charges, and overhead charges will be added to the cost price. Okay, now let us we will discuss about what is the meaning of overhead charges. In overhead charges there are different type of charges will be included in overhead charges. Any extra charges such as repairs, packing charges, transportation charges are called overhead charges, and overhead charges will be added to the cost price. Okay, in that condition we will take out the actual cost price. Actual cost price means overhead charges plus cost price. Actual cost price is equal to overhead charges plus cost price. Okay, now my dear student, there are some basic point. Now these basic point we will apply in different type of problems, and all these problems depend on your book. Okay, my dear student, your first question is find the profit or loss for the following. In first question, CP is rupees 576 and SP is 756. In this condition what becomes? As you know very well, in this question SP is 756 and CP is 576. The meaning is SP is more than CP. SP is more than CP. SP stand for selling price, CP stand for cost price. Okay, then what becomes? Then becomes profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 756. SP is 756 and CP is 576. Then what becomes? Then becomes profit. Now let us we will discuss about what is the subtraction. 6 minus 6 0. This is 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So what we will do? We take one number, borrow from 7, then 7 will become 6 and 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7, it will give to you 8. 6 minus 5, it will give to you 1. Answer is 180. My dear student, 180 rupees is the profit for this question. Again, your next question is CP is equal to rupees 1250 and SP is rupees 1180. In this condition, what you are looking? CP is more than SP. CP is more than SP. Then what becomes? Then becomes loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. So now look here, CP is 1250 and SP is 1180. Now we will discuss about what is the meaning of subtraction. 1250 minus 1180. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 we cannot subtract from 5. So what we will do? We take one number, borrow from 2. Then 2 become 1 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the loss? Loss is rupees 70. Loss is rupees 70. Okay. Again, we will discuss about one more question. In this question, CP is rupees 4125, overhead charges is 300 and SP is rupees 5000. So in this question, first we discuss about actual cost price. The reason is, in this question overhead charges is given. So first we discuss about what is the actual cost price. So how will you find out actual cost price? ACP is equal to overhead charges plus CP. Overhead charges is 300 and CP is 4125. After adding you will get rupees 4425. 4425 is actual cost price. Okay. Then in this condition, what you are looking? Actual cost price is 4425 and SP is rupees 5000. Okay. Then what becomes? In this question, SP is more than ACP. SP is more than ACP. Now we will discuss about then what becomes? Then becomes profit, and profit equal to SP minus ACP. ACP means actual cost price. SP is 5000, ACP is 4425. I hope that all are know about the subtraction. After subtraction you will get 575. 575 is profit for this question. Okay. So my dear student, 575 is profit for this question. All these questions depend on your book from exercise. Okay. Now your next question is, the cost price of a school bag is rupees 875 and the shopkeeper sells it for 950. Find the profit or loss made by the shopkeeper. As you are looking for this question, CP is rupees 875. CP means cost price of school bag. Cost price of school bag is 875 and SP is 950. In this question, what you are looking? SP is more than CP. SP is more than CP. Then what becomes? Profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. So SP is 950 minus 875. After subtraction we will get, this is 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what we will do? We take one number, borrow from 5. So 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Again, this is 7. And 7 we cannot subtract from 4. So what we will do? We take one number borrow from 9. So 9 will become 8 and 4 will become 14. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7, it will give to you 7. So profit is 75. 75 rupees profit for shopkeeper. Okay. Now your next question is, if the cost price of a dinner set is rupees 4986 and the shopkeeper sells it at a price of rupees 4500, then find the profit or loss made by the shopkeeper. In this question, as you are looking, CP is cost price of dinner set is rupees 4986 and SP is 4500. In this question, what you are looking, CP is more than SP. If CP is more than SP, then what becomes? Then becomes loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now we will take out 4986 minus 4500. Now look here. We will discuss about subtract 4986 minus 4500. 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. And 4 minus 4, 0. The meaning is 486. 486 rupees 486 is loss made by the shopkeeper. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.